Pulling the 13 for the engine mount. 13 right here. 2 16s, 2 18s. Make sure you jack up on the corner side of the oil pan. Nice and easy. Make sure you put a rag or something soft. We'll jack it up just enough. Remove the 2 18s.
This one we got shit leaking out of. You can see the fluid where it's been dripping underneath there.
Two 16s. Those little nubs for on top.
If you had a mount to mount a bracket to the top of it, it's for other markets. Obviously not this market.
Put them in by hand first, then tighten them. $13 mil. Make sure your holes are centered. Real important, put these in by hand also.